Hello guys and welcome back. As you can see in the picture, those are flow sensors. I wanted to give you a heads up that I'm putting together a little tutorial on how to install and calibrate the most used flow sensors in water, chemical, and oil refineries. So please stay tuned, and I will see you all on my next video. Thank you.